Hi, my name is Laura. I'm an intern with Legal Action of Wisconsin, and today we're going to talk about name change procedures. The process of changing your name in Wisconsin is a common civil procedure and can be completed without attorney assistance. Wisconsin law prohibits those on the sex offender registry from applying for a name change. To apply for a name change, you will need to complete 3 short forms, all of which are available online. Hard copies of these forms must be filed at the clerk of court's office for your home county. A fee of $164.50 is due at the time of filing, but can be waived due to financial hardship. Most name changes require you to publish a newspaper record for 3 consecutive weeks before the name change will be granted. If you hold a professional license in Wisconsin, you will need to gain permission from the licensing body before proceeding with the name change. Teachers, however, are exempt. Hearing in circuit court is the final step in the name change process. Because this is a court case, it will appear under your old name on CCAP. The entire process takes about 2 months from the date you file your paperwork. A confidential name change removes the publishing requirement. To request a confidential name change, you will need to submit evidence that you will be put in danger by having your name change published. You can submit letters from therapists, medical professionals, and others in support of your endangerment claim. There are also 3 forms you need to file, which are available online. If your request for a confidential name change is denied, you can still file for a regular name change. To request a fee waiver, you'll need to fill out a form as to your current financial situation, employment, benefits received, and family information. Copies of financial information and pay stubs are recommended, but not required. The fee waiver request form must be notarized and submitted at the time as the other name change documents. After filing name change documents, you'll be granted a court date. In Milwaukee, the court date is typically 4 weeks after the filing date. Times vary per county. Before the hearing date, those filing a non-confidential name change will need to apply for publication in their county's newspaper of record. The court will tell you which paper or papers satisfies their requirements. Publication has to occur for 3 consecutive weeks, and the newspaper sends proof of publication once the 3 weeks have run. Many newspapers have online forms for submitting notice. Unfortunately, publication can be costly. On the date of your hearing, you'll need to bring your application for the name change, record of publication, and any supporting documents. Also bring an original copy of your birth certificate in case the court asks for it. Most hearings are quick, and the judge will typically only ask for confirmation of the information you've already filed. If your petition is granted, the change is effective as soon as the judge's order is filed. You can request copies of the order from the clerk of court, which may cost a small fee. You will want certified copies of the order for your record and for the filing of the name change with the state. Once you have the judge's order approving your name change, you will need to file a certified copy with the Wisconsin Department of Health Services, which has a $10 filing fee. To get a new certified copy of your birth certificate, you'll need to submit a form, proof of ID, and $20 to DHS. You'll need to get your new birth certificate first. The processing time takes about 4 weeks, and you cannot update any other documents in Wisconsin without a correct birth certificate. Next, you will need to change your name with the Social Security office. This is done at no cost, either online or in person. You'll need the updated Social Security information and name change order to update your Wisconsin driver's license. Getting your new license must be done in person, and fees start at $14 depending on the type of license. Official Wisconsin records, such as a marriage license, can be updated at the Wisconsin Office of Vital Records. For name changes on bank accounts, insurance, car titles, passports, and others, it's best to contact those agencies directly as to their requirements. Some institutions will likely require a copy of the name change order and a letter of request, both notarized. If you have any questions, please log on to lawyersforlearners.org and fill out the intake form.